food, sleep, energy, illness, and routine. For education, you learn words like knowledge, learning, teacher, student, future, and confidence. For social media, you learn words like online, videos, followers, time, information, and distraction. For success, you learn words like goal, effort, discipline, patience, failure, and progress. Every topic increases your vocabulary. Every topic improves your thinking. Every topic makes your speaking stronger. You can make a simple 7-day practice plan. Day 1. Speak about health. Day 2. Speak about education. Day 3. Speak about social media. Day 4. Speak about money. Day 5. Speak about friendship. Day 6. Speak about success. Day 7. Speak about English learning. Speak for 1 minute on each topic. Record your voice. Listen again. Correct 2 mistakes. Then speak again. This method is simple but very powerful. After 1 week, repeat the same topics. You will notice that the second time, speaking becomes easier. Why? Because your brain already has some ideas. Your mouth becomes more comfortable. Your confidence becomes stronger. This is how fluency grows. Repetition plus different topics creates real speaking power. You can also create a topic notebook. Write 1 topic on each page. Under every topic, write 5 useful words. Then write 3 useful sentences. For example, topic, health. Useful words, exercise, food, sleep, energy, routine. Useful sentences. Health is very important for a happy life. We should eat good food and exercise regularly. Good sleep helps our body and mind. Now speak using these words and sentences. This is a very helpful method for beginners. Because you are not speaking with an empty mind. You have support. Slowly, you will not need notes. Your brain will start creating sentences naturally. If you want to speak on any topic, practice many topics. Do not wait for confidence. Practice creates confidence. Do not wait for perfect English. Practice creates better English. Start with daily topics. Then move to bigger topics. Speak 1 minute every day. And slowly, your mind will stop going blank. Tip 10. Do not stop when you make mistakes. Many English learners stop speaking because they are afraid of mistakes. They think, my grammar is wrong. My pronunciation is not perfect. My sentence is not correct. People will laugh at me. I should speak only when I am perfect. But this thinking is dangerous. Because if you wait for perfect English before speaking, you may never speak. Speaking improves through speaking. Mistakes are part of the process. You cannot learn swimming without entering water. You cannot learn cycling without losing balance. You cannot learn cooking without making some mistakes. In the same way, you cannot learn speaking English without speaking imperfect English first. Mistakes are not proof that you are failing. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. For example, maybe you say, he go to school every day. This is a mistake. The correct sentence is, he goes to school every day. But if you stop because of this mistake, you lose practice. A better way is, speak first. Notice the mistake. Correct it. Repeat again. This is how you improve. Another example. You say, people is very busy. Then you correct it. People are very busy. Good. You learned something. Another example. You say, I agree with you. Then you correct it. I agree with you. Good. You improved again. Mistakes become lessons when you correct them calmly. But mistakes become fear when you hate yourself for them. So do not hate your mistakes. Use them. Every mistake is showing you what to practice next. If you make grammar mistakes, practice sentence patterns. If you make pronunciation mistakes, repeat slowly. If you forget words, learn useful phrases. If you stop too much, practice 1 minute speaking. If your mind goes blank, use the ORE formula. There is always a solution. Do not stop, continue. In real conversation, communication is more important than perfection. If your meaning is clear, continue speaking. For example, if you say, "I went market yesterday," people can still understand you. Later, you can improve it. "I went to the market yesterday." Then improve it more. "Yesterday, I went to the market to buy some vegetables." This is the right process. First, speak simply. Then make it better. Many learners try to correct every sentence before speaking. That makes them slow. Do not do that. Speaking and correcting are two different steps. During speaking, focus on communication. After speaking, focus on correction. This removes pressure. You can tell yourself, "I do not need perfect English today. I need practice. I can make mistakes and still continue. I can correct myself later. I am improving step by step." These sentences build confidence. You must understand one thing. Fluent speakers are not people who never make mistakes. Fluent speakers are people who continue speaking. They know how to explain their ideas. They know how to use simple words. They know how to correct themselves. They know how to continue when they forget a word. This is what you need to learn. If you forget a word, do not stop. Explain it in simple English. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you can say, "The thing we use when it rains." If you forget the word expensive, you can say, "It costs a lot of money." If you forget the word confused, you can say, "I do not understand clearly." This is smart speaking. Fluency means continuing, not stopping, not panicking, not giving up. So from today, make one rule. Mistakes will not stop me. If I make a mistake, I will correct it. If I forget a word, I will explain it. If I feel nervous, I will speak slowly. If I go blank, I will use a simple sentence. This mindset can change your English journey. Remember this. Silent English never becomes fluent English. Only spoken English becomes fluent English. So speak with mistakes. Speak with courage. Speak with simple words. Speak every day. Then improve slowly. If you want to speak English on any topic, you do not need magic. You need a simple method. Start with an opening sentence. Use the ORE formula. Ask yourself simple questions. Use connecting words. Add real-life examples. Speak from your own experience. Use simple words. Practice the 1-minute method. Practice daily topics. And never stop because of mistakes. This is the real path. English speaking becomes easier when you stop trying to be perfect and start trying to communicate. You do not need advanced English to begin. You need courage. You need practice. You need consistency. And you need simple methods that actually work. So choose one topic today. Speak for 1 minute. Make mistakes. Correct them. Speak again. Do this every day. Slowly, your mind will stop going blank. Your confidence will grow. Your sentences will become better. Your ideas will become clearer. And one day, you will realize, I can speak English on any topic. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep practicing English. And if this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and continue your English journey with me.